Hey, my name is Ralph and I'm a Flexfilm, and I'm going to show you guys a new dry shrink method. If you've been doing this, I apologize. I haven't seen anybody do this before. I got this idea from Garrett Wilson and Tint Solutions in Easley, South Carolina. Friend of mine, customer of mine, all around good guy, but he blew me away when I saw this. This is not the dryer sheet method. This is not the baby powder method. And this is not even the what I call the soap method, where we would somehow wet the soap or lather it up, and then we would apply it to the glass and wait for it to dry, and then go forward with our shrinking, which would be a dry shrink method. This is even more simple than that. Now I'm an Irish Spring guy, but I think I like the Ivory soap better. It's just a white bar rectangle soap. I don't like the shape of the Irish Spring, so I've been using this one side, which is now flat. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm gonna show you what I do. Okay, it's kind of cool. I'm gonna just take it, put it on the glass, and I'm just gonna start rubbing it real fast like this. This is an old hatchback window in our studio. I think it came off a Ford Focus. I'm gonna do the whole thing. Well, no, I'm gonna do half of it. Okay. Now right there, I'm done, okay? The soap's on the glass. It's dry. I don't have to wait for it to dry. It didn't even phase this bar of soap. I might be exaggerating, but I bet you, if you were a super volume shop, this might last you 6 months. I wouldn't be surprised if you get a year out of it. I don't know. Somebody let me know later on what they do, because I haven't done too many cars like this. But I can put the film on here, okay? And I can anchor it in the middle, and it's gonna stick. The soap will let my film stick, just like it would if I put it on wet. But it's actually a better nonstick surface. Sometimes when I put soap on and I use water and then it dries, I feel like I might be sort of fighting the film a little bit. Sometimes it sticks in places and it causes the fingers to lock down, and I tend to heat the fingers more than I wish I would, where I wanted to spread them out. This method, you put the film on the glass, lock it down, and it's super non-stick. The film just floats. It doesn't stick anywhere, and I can heat more evenly. It just seems like the better method. Baby powder is too dry. I can't get the film to stick. I want to shrink and then I want to push. I need film to stick, because when it sticks and it's flat and it doesn't have any fingers in it or creases, we hope, I'm done. The baby powder method, I push, comes back up. I push, comes back up. I shrink, comes back up. I don't know when to stop shrinking. I always over shrink with baby powder. Too dry for me, okay? Dryer sheets. I don't want to go buy dryer sheets. I'm too cheap, okay? I don't want to go buy dryer sheets. I've even heard they cause cancer, and you got to wet them and you got to put them on the glass. I'm not saying dryer sheets are bad, just not my thing. Dryer sheets do remind me of the soap method, very similar, okay? But the soap, I love the soap. I did the soap for years. I rub it on. But now I found a so much easier way to do it, just with the soap. And I believe that the Ivory is a little chalkier, and I think I would like that better. But look, just rub it on. That's all it is. Doesn't take but a second. You can do it fast if you want to, if you want to speed tinters. But that's it. That's what you do. This is the new method. If you hadn't tried it, give it a shot. Sure is cheap. Good luck.